14 grams of fine ground coffee, and it's been pressed but not too tight. Now I'm going to put it into the machine. The machine is on, the pressure is normal, the water levels are good, and I've waited enough for a double espresso. So now I'm gonna go ahead and start it. And it starts fine, however, the work pressure goes all the way up, and it didn't used to do this. And similarly, there's barely any coffee coming out. And the coffee will most likely come out very bitter. And as you can see, the coffee stops coming out. It did not used to do this a month ago, and particularly the pressure didn't go up to that high before. And I have changed nothing in the process. So the coffee is barely coming out like it used to. That is the issue with the machine.